Hi everyone, this is Dr. Pasnudi Suman, consultant pediatrician. In this video, I will be explaining about the role of flu vaccine in children and why it is important in this corona pandemic time. Many experts are advising flu vaccine for children in this season, and this news is all over the social media in the past few days, and many people have started asking us about this vaccine. So, first we'll see the differences between both these viruses. Most of the symptoms caused by influenza and COVID-19 are same, and the list of those symptoms is shown in this image here. They also spread the same way, usually from human to human contact. And however, unlike the ever-changing COVID-19, influenza has a definitive treatment and vaccine. Since the virus keeps on mutating every year, people are asked to get flu shots every year. These are recommended by WHO in pregnant women, infants, children, people aged 65 and above, and those with pre-existing chronic diseases. Now, we'll see, can the flu vaccine protect against coronavirus? A recent study have been published in the American Journal of Infection Control regarding the impact of the influenza vaccine on COVID-19 infection rates and severity. The highlights of this study are: the vaccinated patients testing positive for COVID-19 were less likely to require hospitalization or mechanical ventilation and had a shorter hospital length of stay. The odds of testing positive for COVID-19 was reduced in patients who received an influenza vaccine compared to those who did not by 24%. So, they came to a conclusion that influenza vaccine can be promoted to reduce the burden of COVID-19. Now, we'll see the possible mechanism behind the flu vaccine impact on COVID-19. Epidemiological studies showed years ago that vaccinated children still had a higher immunity to a variety of pathogens than non-vaccinated children, even a very long time after the vaccination took place. And it has been proposed that vaccines may exert an unspecific protective effect against infectious agents different than expected. Other scientific reasons why vaccinating children with flu shots is a good idea, because it would prevent co-infections if affected with COVID-19 and reduce the severity. And also it will ensure there is no misdiagnosis. Now we'll see the experts' opinions of this flu vaccine recommendation in children. Indian Academy of Pediatrics recommends giving annual flu shots for all children from 6 months to 5 years of age and from 6 to 18 years only for the children with certain high-risk conditions. This recommendation is to only reduce the need for COVID testing, decrease the burden on the healthcare system and protect the children from influenza, and not because the flu shot will prevent COVID-19. Dr. Dinesh Kumar, Director of Intensive Care Services at Rainbow Hospitals, Hyderabad, said that it is like training the warriors inside the body with some skills to fight the virus, if not specifically COVID-19. My final advice is, as COVID vaccines for children are still under trial and there are predictions about children affecting more in the possible third wave, if you are affordable, please do get your child flu vaccine, and this costs around 1500 to 2000 rupees. This vaccine is given as a single dose, although children who are receiving vaccination for the first time receive it 2 doses at 6 and 7 months of age according to IAP 2021 guidelines. And some people might develop fever and muscle ache as side effects of this vaccine. To those people who have no idea about the flu vaccine, please watch the video till the end. I have explained all the basic information about these vaccines. Flu shots are vaccine doses which help prevent people against catching influenza. Getting annual flu shots are considered to be the best bet of defense against catching the infection. Because the influenza virus changes or mutates slightly from year to year, you need a new influenza vaccine every year before each flu season. It generally takes about 2 weeks to make these antibodies, and the vaccine usually protects 50 to 80% of those who are vaccinated from getting the flu. Now, we'll see what is the appropriate time for vaccination in India. The peak season for influenza in India is during the monsoon. So, vaccine should be given pre-monsoon, and the second peak is seen in winter in northern states. This flu season generally plays from September to February, so getting a shot right now will root out any fear in time before the infection reaches its peak. Hope I have given enough information regarding the flu vaccination, and if you have any further queries, please do ask us in the comment section. and further health related educational videos, please do subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.